Okay, so if I want to open an article that is posted in Google Classroom as a Word document, but I need to have it read aloud by Google Readwrite, there are a few steps I'd follow. And so the first thing is I'm going to click on the article to open it. And this first time that the article opens, you can see it, but it is not all the way open in Google, so you aren't able to have it read out loud. But you can scroll over to the far right-hand side, and you see there are these three little dots, and then you get the option for more actions. And what you're going to do is choose Open in a New Window. So once the article loads up in the new window, you get a new option in the center that says Open With. And when you click that, you can choose Google Docs. Once the article opens up in Google Docs, you're going to have all the functions of Google. So you could click on the puzzle piece, the same function that we use when we read benchmarks and tests and stuff like that out loud. And then it works exactly the same as on a benchmark or a test. You click where you want it to read, and then you push play.
Read this article about King Arthur and answer the...
And then you'll be able to have everything read out loud. And then when you're finished, you can just close all your windows.